Hello people, good morning, good afternoon or good evening, depending on which part of the world you are watching from. In this video, I will show you some cool tips and tricks to upscale your design skills on the Canva platform. We shall explore some newly added AI tools on Canva for the purpose of attaining efficient design. I am Joe, your tech handyman. Kindly subscribe to my channel, like the content and drop a comment. Also, please turn on your notifications so that anytime I upload another amazing content, you'll be the first to know. If you're ready, let's dive right in.
So guys, find a way to Canva. This is actually the landing page. There are a few videos on how to use Canva on our channel, so you can check that out. So real quick, we type in here YouTube thumbnail. It gets us to this point. These are some of the templates that you can use to design YouTube thumbnails. You can actually create from blank, but first we are going to try the magic design, which is still in the beta version. First off, we insert media by clicking on that. If you don't have a media already, you can use choose files like so, but I already have media uploaded, so I'll choose this one, click on it. Then in seconds you see it will generate, Canva will generate template using the media you uploaded. You can see how nice these templates look, and you can actually customize. For instance, if I click on this one, it's 100% customizable. Look how nice it looks. So just give it something to work with and it will generate ideas for you to take it off from. So here we are going to create from blank and see how we can try other tricks again. So go to upload real quick, and in that upload I will still, these are my upload, some of them, so I will still use this same image to click on it, bring it to the canvas, and then I'll quickly position it the way I want so I can use. Okay, so click on this edit photo at the top right there. So once you click on it, it opens up this new pen, this entire pen. All these are AI tools, Canva AI tools that you can use to enhance your design. This is the BG remover, this is the eraser, the magic edit is here as well, and this, you have the filters. These are the effects. Okay, so let's start from the BG remover. So ensure you select the image and click on BG remover. In seconds, the background is gone. BG remover simply means background remover, so the background is gone. So we'll try the magic eraser. Just click on it, click use magic eraser, it gets you here. So what's going to happen is click OK there. What happens is you draw or highlight or draw on the area you want to erase. So once you lift your hand off, that place is out, just like so. It's magical. So we go to magic edit as well. We click on the magic edit, still in the beta version as well. So click on use magic edit, it takes you right back to your image. You can increase the brush size. So in this case, I want to take this size out and replace it with something else. So the same way you do it, but in this case, once we highlight those places, you have to want to replace with another item. So click on continue once that is done. So you type in a prompt here to describe what you want to replace this particular place. So in this case, I will use bird's feather, and then once done, just click on create. So in seconds, you see it will generate exact image according to your description. These are feathers. This is the second one. You can see how nicely it's, and this is the third one, this is the fourth one. So I think if I'm going to use this, I will use this second one. It looks a bit real. So back in here, you go to filters. There are quite a number of filters here. Just click for see all. These are the natural filters. There are actually a number of them right there. These are the warm filters, the warm. This falls under the cool filters. And then you also have the next one, which is the vivid filters. You can use all of these filters depending on what you want to create. This one is the soft, and then this one is the vintage. So, and you also have the mono. This one is black and white, more like, then the color pop. So depending on what you want to use, you can choose any one. So our default is none, but this is fresco, this is another one, bel verde, and all. So the next thing we are going to try out will be effect. Okay, So you can actually control the intensity of the filters right here, when you are selecting the filters. Now click on effect, the first one. There are actually 4 main effects: the glow, the drop, and the outline, and the none. So at default is at none, but let's try the glow. So if you click on it, you can see that nice little glow outside. So you can use this to increase the size of the glow. You can see all around the image in equal proportions. You can see the blurry parts. You can increase the blur amount here and the angle of blur, the distance here. You can control it right here. You can see the changes that happen on the image real time. You can change the color, the blur color as well, and the intensity. So let's try the drop now. If you click on it, you can also increase the size. Notice how the image responds to every single change that we make on these controls. So you can use them to maximize efficiency, just like that. So if you want to do the outline, you can also increase the size of the outline. You can increase the blur amount of the outline, and of course the angle. Same way you can also increase the distance and the intensity, just like so on the image. So we go right back here. We want to try the autofocus. So we click on use autofocus, click on it, and then it takes you here. So you can focus on which particular part of the image to apply blur. So in this case, you can increase or control the blur intensity right here by toggling these left to right. You can see the blur around the image nicely applied, depending on how you toggle the blur intensity control. Then the focus position can be determined here. You can see the nice pop-like images around the image, like heat wave. Look at that. It shows you where the blur will be applied, the focus position of the blur. So you can play with this, toggle it, set it to where you want exactly to apply your blur effect, so you can get the exact result you want right there. So we go right back. The next thing we are going to look at has to do with effect. So the blur, you can also increase the entire blur, the entire photo. You can use this to control the background of your design, actually, using this blur effect. That is for that. Then the next one is duotone. Duotone is just like a color overlay on your image. These are the options that you have. There are quite a number. At default is none. You can select from this list. So we select cherry, for instance. You can see how this image overlays on the photo nicely. I change the highlight colors, okay, to green in this case. So any color you want. The shadows, you can change it to anything, maybe red, and then there will be that perfect mixture of two colors to overlay on the image. That effect you get is magical. So these are other ones. The amber is basically selecting colors that you overlay on the image, the proper color mix, that is. So there are quite a number there. That's for duotone. And then if you go down all the way, you see that all these ones can be used to create stunning effect on your image. If you go to adjust, you can select the area where that whole image, and the whole lot of controls here that you might want to try out: the brightness, the contrast, the white, the highlight, the shadows. You use these controls to achieve that. Here is a crop. Crop the aspect ratio right here. Set the aspect ratio. This is for 16:9 widescreen, and then you use this to rotate your image however you want it to be. And you can use auto as well. So guys, this is how it is. Take time out to explore these amazing features on AI. See you in the next video.